What's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and this one is how to apply minoxidil to your beard, and this video is for total beginners, so if you've been using it for a while, this probably won't be useful to you, but this is the type that I use. You can get this off Amazon for I think it's about $26 for a 6-month supply. I'm not sure what that is in other countries, but that's how it is here in America. And I found that this is the cheapest and most effective, at least for me, because I've tried Rogaine foam, and it's just a lot pricier, and I wasn't too fond of it. But anyways, so before you apply this stuff, you want to make sure you wash your hands really good. And I know a lot of people say to wash your face. You could do that if you want, but I don't. Just make sure you wash your hands, because after you apply it, you're gonna rub it in, and you don't want to get any germs or dirt on your face, because it's gonna probably cause you to break out. But so I use this stuff 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night. I know a lot of people, if you want to see routines, I recommend checking out the pages Beards, Barbells, and Banter, and also the Minoxidil Beard Spot. Those are 2 places where it's like a self-improvement page, and people talk about their beard growth journey using this product. But anyways, so I'm going to show you how I apply this. Everyone does it a little bit differently, but this is what I found to be the most effective. And if anyone was curious, I've been on the juice for about 9 months or so, and this is my progress. I'm pretty happy about it. I've had the mustache already, so I haven't been applying to it, and I won't apply to it in this video just because my mustache grows so quick that when I apply to it, it doesn't, I feel like it doesn't even really get down to the skin. But I'll show you guys how I apply it. And again, be sure to wash your hands before it. I already washed mine, so go. Make sure you get around 1 ml right at the line. And I kind of just drop it on my face, then rub it in after. Sorry, it's kind of hard to apply this stuff because I'm not in front of a mirror, I'm in front of my computer instead. Just waste it a little bit. Make sure you get in the connector area. I think that's one of the most important parts, at least for me. I try to get a little bit higher than right. I mean, I do get my beard, but I try to get it higher. I think a lot of people forget this spot just because to get the most coverage possible, try to put it a little bit higher. And also, what I recommend is just putting a little bit on the underbeard spot, not necessarily low on your neck beard area, but like the underbeard, right here for sure, and then right here, just because when you do grow a beard out, this is the part that makes it look really, really full. And again, I guess I'll just show you applying it to my mustache for video purposes, but I usually don't. I know it's hard to see because my hand's in the way, but you guys get the point, I hope. And I see a lot of people ask if they should shave before they use this. I guess it doesn't really matter, but what I found is it's kind of difficult to apply this stuff when you have a lot of facial, or even if it's patchy. It's kind of hard to apply this stuff, but it'll still work, but just not as good. I think it wastes a little bit of it. But I'm trying to think if there's any more advice. What I do is I don't derma roll, although that's a lot of people recommend doing that, and I think there's a lot of truth to that. I'm just I just get kind of lazy with it. And another thing is I'm just trying to recollect my thoughts. I think that's about it for this video. Again, I'll put the links in the description for those groups if you guys want to check them out. They have a lot of frequently asked questions answered on there. They have like a link to a website where they just go over all of the questions. And if you found this video interesting, check out my other videos. And if you want to follow my minoxidil journey, I'll probably use this stuff for around a year or so more. I might switch on to 2-gain, 10% after 2 years, but I guess we'll see. Thanks for watching. Peace out.